Attention please, Olojo 2020 is here again. Olojo Festival, Ojo Ti Ojo Di Ojo, from the 26th of September 2020, Ojo Kemugun Are Cultural Procession, to the 28th of September 2020, Ojo Ibile, Onirisha's ancestral traditional propitiation. One Yoruba, one source, one festival. Join us virtually as all activities will be streamed live. For more information, please contact www.olojo.org. One Yoruba, one source, one festival. Ó ti ṣeé ṣe o.